Welcome to another episode of Die Project TinkerCAD CodeBlocks 3D tutorial.
So today we're going to make an LED bulb in our TinkerCAD environment. So for this I'm going to rename my project as LED. Then I'm going to modification, going to create a new group, new object. After this I'm going to shapes. In shapes I'm going to use a box for this. So this is my box. I am setting the size of the box to 25 cross 25 cross and height will be double of it 50. And also we are going to add edges for our box. So I am using an edge of 40 and its steps will be 10. Then I am going to modifications, take a move, add around 40 in Z axis. I need a copy of this box. Just duplicate this. In this box I don't need any more edge steps, so I'm changing it to 0. The width will be 30, length will be 30 and height will be 30. This is to cut down the bottom part of the previous box. So I'm moving it in Z axis by 20 units. The cube will be a hole and the part covered by the cube will be taken out. So I am creating it as a hole. After that I am going to create a whole group out of it. My LED its color will be yellow. Then I am going to shapes. I need a torus here. Better to use a cube, I think. I'm planning to cube now. So the radius will be 14. Wall thickness will be 2.5. Height will be 2 here. And I'm changing the size to 50. And after this, I'm going to modify it. I'm going to move it in Z-axis by 35 units. After this I'm going to use another box. So I'm taking a box here. I'm changing the width of my box to 1. Length will be 0.5 and height will be 40. These will be the terminals for my LED. So I'm going to modifications. I'm going to take a move. I'm going to move this in x-axis and z-axis. So in x-axis I'm moving it by 10. Let's move it in minus 10. Then in y-axis it will be the same. In z-axis I'm moving it by 20 units. So this is one of my terminal. I need another terminal. So I'm just going to copy this object. Going to take another move. So in this move I am setting the value as 20 and z-axis will be 5. Why? Because in a LED bulb the positive terminal will be lengthier than the negative terminal. So first I am creating a negative terminal and I am copying it to make the positive terminal. After this I am going to take another box here. So I am taking this box here. Going to modifications, going to take a move. This box, the width will be 1.5, the length will be 0.5 and height will be 1.5. There is no edge for this and I am going to move it in Z-axis by 30 units. Going to make a copy of it. Again I am going to move it by 20 in x-axis and in z-axis it will be the same. This is for there is a small slit like thing in each terminal of an LED. So after this I am going to make a cut in the cube I have used in this project. It is because usually in a negative terminal there will be a small cut in the ring around the LED. That is to identify the LED if both the terminals are at the same size. So for that I am going to use a shape. I am just going to take a box. I am setting the size of the box to be the same. I am going to modifications, going to take a move. Then I am moving it in z-axis by 30 units and then x-axis by 23 units. After doing this, I am going to create a whole group out of it. Before doing that, I am going to change the color of all the shapes I have used. So for the ring, I will be changing the color to yellow, the same color as LED. I said this is my terminals, so my terminal color should be somewhat silver, so I'm changing it to silver. It can be anything, this will be a hole. So let's see how our LED is created. The move given for this is a mistake, I think. I forgot to move it in x-axis. Yes. So this will be -10. So my LED is created. This will be my negative terminal. The polarity is indicated in the LED itself. So that's all for my LED. If you like the video, press the like button. Put your feedback in the comment box. Share the video. Let's see you in next video.